Hello, welcome to another video on trading without bias. In this video, we'll go over yesterday's Euro USD price action and a trade assigned to the mentorship. Please, before we start, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you. Now, before we start, please make sure whatever trading platform you are using, make sure you always select the New York time zone. Thank you. So let's go over the rules again. So this is the map. When we are bullish, we would like to see a strong bullish candle breaking a swing high. As you can see here, a swing high is three candle formation, where the middle candle high is higher than the one on the right and that of the one on the right. So when a strong bullish candle breaks this swing high, we are bullish. Second scenario, when we are bullish, we would like to see a strong bullish candle completely fills a bearish fair value gap. This is a bearish candle, and this is a bullish candle that completely fills this fair value gap. So a fair value gap is the space between three candles. As you can see, this is candle 1, candle 2, and candle 3. See, candle 3 high didn't overlap with candle 1 low, so this leaves a fair value gap. And normally, if a fair value gap will hold, we're supposed to do this. It doesn't have to it doesn't have to do this. It can come to 50% of the gap, or just say, but when it does this, then the direction has changed. So when we are bullish, we would like to see a strong bullish candle breaking a swing high, or a strong bullish candle completely fills a bearish fair value gap. So these two scenarios, when we see these two scenarios, we are bullish. Now let's go over the first trade I took. Make sure you always mark your New York Q zone, which is 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. New York time, EMT. This is the New York time zone, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. So the rule is always make sure the 7 a.m. candle is out, and make sure the 7 a.m. candle closed on the 50 minutes. So we are going to move price forward, and this is the 7 a.m. and our rule says we would like to see a strong bullish candle breaking a swing high, and we have a swing high here, and this is a strong bullish candle. As we said, a swing high and a strong bullish candle. So when we see this, we are bullish. So once we know our direction, the next thing we search for is our target. We have a swing high here, this high, and we have this bullish order block here. So once we know our target, we know our direction, the next thing is our entry. How do we search for entry? So we are going to switch to the 5 minutes first for our entry. So I was looking forward to enter off this fair value gap. As I always say, I always enter off the fair value gap near a breaker block, mitigation block, or a bullish order block. And as you can see, you have a bullish order block here. So I was looking forward to enter off this fair value gap. So let's move price forward. And price didn't come into our fair value gap, and it created this fair value gap on the 2 minutes. So this is where I entered. As you can see, I entered off this fair value gap on the 2 minutes here. I took my first profit once price take off this swing high. As you can see, That was my first profit on this very candle, and I leave the rest to hit my TP. As you can see on this very candle, my TP was hit. So we still have more time before 10 a.m. So I took a second trade, and for this trade I even shared to the mentorship. So this is how I went about that trade too. So let's go over the second trade I took. So there was this strong bullish candle, so we are still bullish, and we have this mitigation block here to target. So I was targeting this mitigation candle. So now I know my direction and I know my target. The next thing was to find my entry. I straight to the 5 minutes, and I saw this fair value gap here near a mitigation block, which is this candle. So I was looking forward to enter off this fair value gap. Let's move price forward. So price cleared the sell stop below this candle, and then went higher. It didn't get into my entry, so I asked the team to place a buy limit just below this candle. So as you can see, I asked them to place a buy limit. This is the 1 minute time frame, and I found the entry on the 2 minutes time frame, but on trading view I didn't get the 2 minutes, so I asked them to use the 1 minute time frame at 610. So that place I placed my, as you can see, this is the 1 minute, so I asked them to place the sell limit just below this candle, and it went to my entry, and we targeted the mitigation block we saw on the 15 minutes. So you put your stop loss just below this very candle. As you can see, that's where I asked them to place their stop loss. So if you couldn't enter off this fair value gap, there was another chance for you to enter off enter the trade here. See, this fair value gap, you created another fair value gap for you to enter a second trade, and that on this candle I personally took my trade. As you can see, on that candle I personally took my trade on that very candle on the second fair value gap. So I got in here, and my target was the 15 minutes mitigation block. Let's move price forward, and target was hit. That was the second trade I took. Let's go over the last trade I took on London close Q zone. So London close Q zone starts from 10 a.m. to 12 noon. That's the London close Q zone, and I took one trade there too. So the 10 a.m. candle was bearish, and as you can see, it didn't even covered the fair value gap here, so I wasn't bearish nor bullish. And this is the 10 a.m. 10:15 a.m. candle, and you see we were bullish already, and we had this strong bullish candle. So when I saw this, I straight to the 1 minute for my entry, and we had this bullish order block here. These 3 candles is a bullish order block. So, and I saw fair value gap around it, and as I always say, always use the fair value gap near a bullish order block, mitigation or breaker block as your entry. So I use this fair value gap as an entry, and I target this very high here. So let's move price forward. So alright, That's it. I got in here and I entered another position on this very candle too. My stop loss was just below this candle and I target this swing high here. And as you can see, it was a very nice trade. That's it. First one here, second one here, and the target was hit on this very candle. So yeah, guys, it's very simple. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you want to join the mentorship, please use the link in the description or contact me on Telegram at Amri Cyber. Thank you, guys.